The Daily Code Snippet. Sometimes when you're writing out text, you need to make note when something is to be superscript or when something should be subscript. In order to do this with HTML language, you need to use the SUP element for superscript and the SUB element for subscript. P opening tag footnote SUP opening tag 1 SUP closing tag. P closing tag would display as footnote 1. The 1 is displayed smaller and above the baseline. The chemical formula for water, P opening tag H SUB opening tag 2 SUB closing tag O P closing tag would display as H2O. The 2 would be shown smaller and below the baseline. In HTML5, the abbreviation and acronym elements were combined under the abbreviation element. But just be aware that you may see the older acronym element. When using the abbreviation element, you can add the title attribute to the opening tag. The value of the attribute is the full term. So this is an example of how this is written. Abbreviation opening tag title equals Museum of Modern Art in quotation marks, MoMA, abbreviation closing tag. An abbreviation opening tag with the title attribute that equals the value of Museum of Modern Art, which is the full term for the acronym MoMA, followed by the abbreviation closing tag. Presented by Designers Learn Code.